Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize volume panels into a NOKIA G20. Let's start by going to Play Market and find Volume Styles application. This one. Need to install this application, so wait a second for installing. And now click Open. Then you choose your volume panel styles, maybe like iOS, and click Start in the top right corner. So click, and now need to give accessibility for this application, turn on here, and one more time in settings, use volume styles. Click in here, click Allow, and now when we see a stop button in the top right corner, our new volume styles panel will be used. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.